Hello to all the lovely people out there. So today we are going to be talking to Olly, which is going to give us some fitness tips as how she remains so bloody fit.
The hardcore way to get the bloody fit is to get the blood analysis, to go to your doctor, to understand if you can do this or that, if you can do cardio, if you don't have any kind of wrist problems, etc. And then you just go to gym or any kind of sport that you like, okay? And then before doing any kind of diet, please blood test. This is very important because you never know what can happen.
So the first important point there she mentions is that do your blood body analysis before you start working out. Makes sense, that basically helps you measure how much weight, fat you're actually losing and which direction you got to move.
Second is choose the right trainer if you are going to the gym. Why? Because a lot of trainers will say to you, 8 weeks and you will be fit as fuck, and I'm like, bro, it takes 1 year just to see the first steps, the really big natural muscles. If you want to have muscles, if you want to be fit, it takes 1 year. Okay, I'm not bullshitting you. It's very hardcore stuff, but
so very important point again here that she mentions that choose your right trainer. It's not a dream. If anyone says they'll transform you in 15 days or whatever, don't believe in that crap and work hard every day, as Rome wasn't built in one day. It takes a lot of time. That's beautiful. And what's the last tip?
Last but not least, constant. Be constant. At least 3 times a week. At least 3 times a week. It's like 45 minutes. Okay, but 3 times a week. It's
How
not
many
that
times a
much.
week you work out?
I work out 3 to 4 times a week because I'm a powerlifter, and I'm actually into kettlebells also this last half a year or some stuff like that. And you know what? It works. Like, if you want to actually burn the fat, you have to have the muscles, because only the muscles burn the fat. That's it. Without the muscles, you cannot get lean and stuff.
That's really great. So here she mentions the third tip, which is very important, is like consistency, persistence. I always say persist. Keep on doing what you have to do and automatically you'll get there. And big muscles burn more fat, the BMR goes high, makes absolute scientific sense to me. So that's great. Thanks a lot, Olly, for having us here and giving us these tips. Are you going to be doing more videos with us in the future? I mean, people would like to know that.
If you will behave, yes.